Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to get a USA physical address for free. Now, this is the website that you can do it through. As you can see, this is international package forwarding, so you can forward any package to your physical address in USA for absolutely free. You can also get a virtual business address as well, but this is basically how to get a physical address. As you can see, you can get your shipping estimate right here. So for example, you have a lot of countries here as well as United States. If you want to get a USA physical address, you can go here. Postal code, so you can put a postal code and then wait, and then you can see, you can get basically an estimate. So this is how it works, right? You need to sign up. So sign up and get your Shipito US address. This will be your own personal address in the USA. No sign up or setup fees, as you can see. Then you can shop in any US store and you can ship it to your new US address, right? Or if you have maybe an LLC and you want to send an LLC documents to your address, you can do that as well. You can use your Shipito US address as your delivery address at checkout, right? And then you can combine your packages and save money. You can shop on multiple websites, combine the packages into one box and save up to 80% on shipping, which is pretty awesome. As you can see, here are basically reviews of other people that use Shipito. I know a lot of people that have been using Shipito for a long time and that they are really satisfied with the service. As you can see, you can get all shipping services you need. You have free USA and EU address. You have multiple shipping options. You can save up to 80% on shipping. You have free storage for your packages, which is awesome, and it's secured, right? You can combine packages to save even more money. Free photos of incoming packages as well. You have tax-free warehouse option and dedicated customer support, which is awesome, right? If your package maybe gets lost, you can go here and you can contact them with a live chat, right? Now, you also have frequently asked questions here. So if you actually have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can go here and you can basically go to shipito.com and you can start your basically physical US address. Now, if you want to get a free virtual address, you can just go to your Google, right? And you can just type in free USA virtual address. And here, as you can see, you have actually this one here, virtual address, virtual mailbox, ink file, right? This is also for virtual address. If you want just a virtual USA address, you can do it through ink file as well, inkfile.com, as you can see, and you can create a virtual address. This is for, if you have a virtual documents or anything like that, you can do it through ink file. So that's basically how to get a USA physical address and virtual address for free. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.